Welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a free landing page with System.io. So whether you want to collect email leads, promote an affiliate offer, or sell a product, you can build a professional landing page for free using System.io drag and drop editor. So if you want to try System.io for free, check out the link in my description below. So let's get started. After logging into your System.io dashboard, you can go to the sites and click the sales funnels. Now here you can create your funnel. Just click here and select your preferred name. So you can choose build an audience if you want to collect leads, or you can choose sell if you're promoting a product. Then you just select your preferred currency, then click the save button. From this dashboard, you can click the audience that you have been created. Then you can select or choose your preferred template. You can preview any template that you want to. Then here, click the edit page to open the editor page. From here, you can click any text, image, or button to customize it. Replace the default headline with your own message. Upload your images, change colors, and edit your call to action button. And you can also drag new elements like headings, images, videos, countdown timers, forms, and buttons directly onto your page to match your design. And if you're collecting leads, click on the opt-in page or opt-in form on the left settings panel. So you can choose where your new contact should be added and configure any automation you want, such as tagging subscribers or starting an email campaign. This lets visitors automatically join your contact after submitting the form. Then you can now click the Save Changes on the top right corner. Then you can click here the preview to see how your landing page looks on desktop and mobile. So make sure everything looks good before publishing it. Now you can return to your funnel settings. Your landing page is now live using your free System.io URL, or you can connect your own custom domain later if you have one, and copy your landing page link and start sharing it through social media, email, or your marketing campaigns. And that's how to create a free landing page with System.io. So if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more System.io tutorials. Thank you for watching on this one, and I'll see you again in the next video.